How do I merge two Facebook accounts into one?
Hello everyone. Today we're tackling a common query many Facebook users have. How do I merge two Facebook accounts into one? Unfortunately, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Facebook does not provide an official method to merge two accounts. Instead, you can manually transfer your data from one account to another. Let's see how we can do that.
Download your Facebook information.
The first step is to download the information from the account you want to merge. Here's how to do it. 1. Log into the Facebook account you wish to merge. 2. Click the down arrow at the top right of any Facebook page and select Settings and Privacy, then click Settings. 3. In the left column, click Your Facebook Information. 4. Click Download Your Information. 5. To add or remove categories of data from your request, click the boxes on the right side of Facebook. 6. Click Create File to confirm the download request. After you've done this, you'll receive a notification when your download is ready.
Manually importing information.
Now that you have your data, you can manually import information such as friends and photos into your primary account. Adding friends. 1. Open the Friends section of your downloaded data. 2. Send friend requests to these users from your primary account. Uploading photos. 1. Open the Photos and Videos section of your downloaded data. 2. Re-upload these to your primary account. Please note that this method won't transfer your posts, comments, or likes from one account to another.
Deactivating the secondary account.
Once you've transferred all the information you want, you can deactivate or delete your secondary account. 1. Click the down arrow at the top right of any Facebook page and select Settings and Privacy, then click Settings. 2. Click Your Facebook Information in the left column. 3. Click Deactivation and Deletion. 4. Choose Deactivate Account or Delete Account, then click Continue to Account Deactivation or Continue to Account Deletion. 5. Follow the instructions to confirm your decision. While the process is a bit manual and may take some time, this is the best workaround for merging two Facebook accounts into one as of my knowledge cutoff. Please make sure to verify any updated policies or procedures with Facebook directly. I hope you found this guide helpful. As always, remember to safeguard your personal data while navigating these processes. Stay safe and happy networking.